Hello, my name is Gigi. Welcome on Financial Wealth. This morning I'm bringing you another website to make money online just by sign up your name, username and password and then start making money right away in your phone in your own home. Okay? And I'm bringing you two apps you can make money on your cell phone just by playing games. So I got three ways I'm gonna show you to make money just on your own homes by just playing games and watching video and making money on your own spare time just at home. Just be with me, follow with me. Now we're doing it on google.com. As we already been on Google, so we're gonna type sproutgig.com. Alright, so right here, sproutgigs.com, sign up. So it's gonna bring us over here. We're gonna type gig sign up, hire freelancer to help with small gigs. Click on it, and we're going to sign up, get started, and it's a refer program too. Okay, sign up, email, username, password. Okay, that's how it goes. Let's say I'm gonna put my email here. Social media. Let me see my email. Look like, can I put my email? Okay. Social. I'm gonna just put it there again. $485. 485 TV 485. Password actually small p for 2024. As you can see, I'm making up the sign up. Just be with me. I'm not talking loudly, but you could understand that I'm doing it. Product. Product. PRODUCT 2024. So nickname, if you have, if you don't have, you don't have to put it. United States of America. All right. Sign up. Our nickname. Uh, if I will put a nickname, that will be humble. 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 Right, humble. I can write it down. Sign up. So there is something that we did not do and it asks us to do it. Okay, everything is complete. Password maybe not complete. Lowercase, uppercase, and numbers. I'm gonna do it again. Twenty 24. And everything is complete now. Nickname already taken. It shows up there. I got to name another password. Produced at 2024. Produce at 2024. It says Humbles um, Humble Pay. Humble Pay. Alright, Humble Pay. Let me put pay. The password Keep rewarding, keep rewarding. Type response here. Now I got to start everything. It doesn't go through. Alright, so I'm gonna keep trying that, but you can always skip it if you want to do it faster. You can just skip it for some reason. Okay, not name, not the same. I put it, but it says not the same. I don't know. Let's do it again one more time. Says not the same. Nickname, success, United States, and then sign up. Should be in. Oh man, it take too long. Now when you in, remember you have a referral programs, you have employee gigs. As they say, it look like a freelancer page. Go to the login page, and we have to go back and log in with our email. Remember social media 485journal.com. That's my right. Remember me, log in. So remember you got to sign up, get your password ready, and then everything in, and then yeah, you log in. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay. Produce at 20. But in the real world, it has to log you in, okay? But the first thing when you get in, you have to go in here, explore, and after that, when you get in, and you have these things, you can create your price. You can it's just the same as Fiverr, okay? It's a freelancing platform. You can go ahead and do what you have to do here and log in. As you seen, you create your password and everything, and you get in, and from there you can create your password, get free thumbnail, and get working in this and make money for yourself. Okay, so if you want to refer someone, you can go ahead and refer somebody, and this starts from here. Okay, so to refer someone, you get the link. This is how you can get the link, but you have to log in to get the link. Get the referral link right here, and you got to log in and get the free link. And after that, and then you should be in the inside and continue what you have to continue. Okay, these are some beautiful YouTube thumbnail for any kind of thumbnail that you want to do for Facebook, for Instagram, for Twitter, any thumbnail that you would like to create, that will be welcome you to do it. So it's a freelancing, as I've been saying. If you wanna make your own thing here, go ahead and make your own thing and make money from here. So that's all that I wanted to bring to you today, and that's it. Bye bye.